Hello students, welcome to the video class of the chapter matrices. Okay. Before that we should refresh our mind. Let's do Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, in last class we discussed the adjoint matrix, inverse of a square matrix, non-singular matrix, and properties, some properties and some problems. Today we are going to discuss some more problems and then how to solve the linear equations using matrix method or matrix inversion method. Okay. Now question: if A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 4, B is equal to minus 1, 4, 6, 2, then verify AB inverse is equal to what? AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. So solution is what? Solution A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 4. Now find the cofactors. Cofactors can be written as either A11 or C11. So that is capital A11 means cofactor. Cofactors are denoted by Cij or capital Aij. Okay. So A11, 1 plus 1, that is what? Even, so plus sign. 4, A12 odd, so this is minus 1. A21, 2 plus 1, 3 odd. This is what? Minus 3. Then A22, that is equal to what? That is, this is cofactors of matrix A. So since it is A symbol, so I write here A11, A12, A21, A22. So A22 is equal to 2. So cofactor of A is equal to 4 minus 1 minus 3, 2. What is adjoint A? Adjoint A is equal to what? Cofactor A transpose, that is equal to 4 minus 1 minus 3, 2. Now A inverse is equal to what? Adjoint A by determinant A. What is determinant A here? Determinant A is equal to what? Determinant A is equal to 8 minus 3, so 5. That is equal to 4 minus 3 minus 1, 2, divided by what? 5. Now B is equal to what? B is equal to minus 1, 4, 6, 2. Cofactors B matrix cofactor को A matrix A11 लिखली, B matrix कौन लिख पारि? B11. Okay. Since matrix is B, so B11 लिखले वाला हो, तो B11 that is 2 and B12 is what? B12 that is minus sign, minus 6, and B21 is equal to minus 4 and B22 is equal to minus 1. So cofactor of B is equal to 2 minus 6 minus 4 minus 1. Now a B inverse is equal to what? Adjoint B by determinant B. What is determinant B here? Determinant B is equal to minus 2 minus minus 2 minus 24, minus 2 minus 20, so minus 26. So adjoint, that is 2 minus 6, 2 minus 6 minus 4 minus 1 divide by what? Minus 26, divide by minus 26. Okay, now these are ready for what? Right hand side. Now left hand side is what? AB inverse. Now find AB. So A into B, that is A equal to what? 2, 3, 1, 1, 4, and B is equal to minus 1, 4, 6, 2, and multiply this, this is equal to 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 3 into 6, 18, 2 into 4, 8, 3 into 6, 3 into 2, 6, 1 into minus 1 plus 4 into 6, 24, 1 into 4, 4 plus 4 into 2, 8. So AB inverse is equal to what? AB inverse is equal to, now AB is equal to, that is 16, 14, 23, 12. Now cofactors, एटी जेहेतु दुईटा अच्छे सी लिखि दूसरी ए A1 मान लिखिली, बी कैपिटल बी लिखिली, ए कैपिटल ए लिखिली. तो ये लिखा C11 सब डिफरेंट सिंबल देली. C11 कौन हो ए गला 12, C12 हला -23, C21 हला -14 एंड C22 हो 16. तो कोफैक्टर ऑफ AB इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? कोफैक्टर ऑफ AB इज इक्वल टू रोज कलम करो, कलम जा रो करो होला. तो कोफैक्टर ऑफ AB हो कोफैक्टर ऑफ हो 12 minus 23 minus 14 and this is 16. Okay, now adjoint A. What is determinant value of AB? Determinant value of AB is equal to determinant A into determinant B. So determinant A is what? 5, and this is 5 into minus 26. So 26 into 5, which is equal to what? 130. 130 minus 130. So this is equal to 5 into what? Minus 26, that is equal to minus 130. Okay, now adjoint. Now this is what? AB inverse is equal to adjoint of AB. This is equal to adjoint of AB is equal to what? Adjoint of AB is equal to 12 minus 23 minus 14. Okay, minus 14 and this is 16. Now AB inverse is equal to adjoint AB by what? Determinant of AB. So adjoint AB is equal to what? 12 minus 14 minus 23, 16, divide by what? Divide by minus 130. This is right hand side, and left hand side is what? This is left hand side. This is left hand side, LHS, and the right hand side, this is the left hand side, and the right hand side is what? Right hand side is equal to, and the right hand side RHS is equal to, so RHS B inverse into A inverse. What is B inverse? B inverse is equal to what? 2 minus 6 minus 4 minus 1 divided by minus 26 into A inverse. Where is A inverse? A inverse is equal to what? Now A inverse is equal to here, that is equal to 4 minus 3 minus 1 2, divide by what? Divide by 5. This is A inverse, this is B inverse, and this is A inverse. So multiply this, 2 into 4 8 plus 6, 8 plus 6, sorry, 2 into 4 8, and this is plus 6. So this is what? This is the solution. So find the solution of this. AB inverse is equal to what? AB is equal to here this. Now cofactors is, this is 16 14 23, correct, and this is what? And this is 8 plus what? And this is just 1 minute. Make one correction here, that is cofactor of B what? Make correction here, one correction, that is cofactor of B is equal to here, and what is adjoint B? Adjoint B is equal to what? 2 minus 4 minus 6 minus 1. This is adjoint. So B inverse is equal to adjoint B by determinant B. So this is equal to what? This is equal to 2 minus 4 minus 6 minus 1 divided by determinant of what? Determinant of B, minus 2 plus 24 minus 24, okay, minus 26. So determinant of this is equal to minus 26. So minus 26, and this is 2, and this is minus 4, and this is minus 6, and this is minus 1. So this is 8 plus 4, 8 plus 4, that is what? 12, and this is what? And minus 6, and this is 2, minus 10, minus 14, okay. Then 24 plus 1, minus 23, then minus 18 minus 2, minus a plus 2, minus what? Minus plus 18 minus 2, that is 16 divided by 26 into 5 minus 130. So LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Now solution of linear equation using matrix method. Solution of linear equation. Solution of linear equation. Solution of linear equation using matrix method or matrix inverse method Let's solve a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d is equal to what? Is equal to, suppose, k1 or d1. a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2. a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. Now procedure is, प्रोसीजर एटा को फॉलो करियो पड़ियो ए प्रोसीजर रे लेट फर्स्ट एटा क्वेश्चन लिखियो लेट a is equal to what a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 a3 b3 c3 and capital B is equal to what? Capital B is equal to square bracket x y z and capital D is equal to d1 d2 d3. Okay, here a into x is equal to b ये सब स्टेप्स मन रखियो तो x is equal to a inverse b b into a inverse हेनी कौन हम a inverse into b okay and a inverse so x is equal to capital X is equal to what adjoint a by determinant a into what b. This is formula for to find solution of linear equations. Now one question solve the linear equations using matrix method. Solve the linear equations using matrix method. Solve the following equations using matrix method. X plus y is equal to 3, 2x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. So right hand side 0 रहबनी नंबर लेफ्ट साइड रखियोनी तो solution given equation this is the process given equations x plus y is equal to 3 2x plus y is equal to 1. Now let capital A is equal to the coefficients that is equal to 1 1 2 1. Find its value that is determinant A is equal to what 1 minus 2 that is minus 1. Now find cofactors C11 is equal to 1 C12 minus 2 C21 minus 1 C22 1. Now cofactor A is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1 1 so this is equal to and adjoint A is equal to okay adjoint A is equal to determinant A that is transpose 1 minus 2 minus 1 1. Now A inverse is equal to what A inverse is equal to adjoint A and x is equal to 1 and we know x is equal to A inverse into b. So x is equal to adjoint A by what determinant A into b. So capital X is equal to here let A equal this and capital B is equal to what x comma y and D is equal to what 3 comma 0. So x is equal to what x y and adjoint A is equal to what adjoint A is equal to what this is equal to B is equal to what B is equal to x comma y. This is B is equal to x comma y and D is equal to what and D is equal to this is the process. So write carefully here that is A is equal to here you will write here that is A is equal to this and x is equal to what x comma y number of variable here and D is equal to what 3 comma 0. Now C11 is equal to what we get C11 is equal to 1 and C12 is equal to minus 2. So x means what? xy. Adjoint a माने के देसी. What is adjoint a? This is adjoint a. So 1 minus 1 minus 2 1 by determinant a. What is determinant a? That is minus 1 into b means what? 3 0. So this is equal to minus 1 and 1 2. This is what? Minus 1 1 and 2, and this is minus 1 by into 3 0. So this is equal to minus 3 plus 0, and this is 6 plus 0. So capital X is equal to what? XYZ. XY is equal to minus 3 comma 6. That implies x is equal to what? 3, and x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 6. These are the answers. Now in case of three variables, in case of three variables, so this is solve by matrix method. Solve by matrix method. Okay. So here x, y, z represent. Here y absent. So given equation is what? X comma 2y plus z is equal to 7. Here x not y present, so 0 into y we can write, plus 3z is equal to 11. 2x minus what? 3y plus 0 into z is equal to 1. Now let matrix A is equal to 1 1 2 2 0 minus 3 1 3 0, and capital X is equal to x y z, and D is equal to 7 1 1. D is equal to what? This is not 11 here. Okay, this is 11 here. Now we know x is equal to adjoint A by determinant A into what? B. That is D here. That is D. D letter here. So now how to find adjoint? Find determinant value. So determinant value is what? Or determinant value is 1 into 0 plus, so 1 into 9 minus 2 into this 0 minus 6, minus 2 into what? Minus 2 into 0 minus 9 here. So minus 2 into what? Minus 2 into 3 6, and this is 1. So this is 0, and minus 2 cancel here, okay, minus 2 cancel here. So 3, and this is 0 0 0, and this is 0 0 minus 6, so 0 minus 6 means minus 6 plus 1 into this goes cancel, 3 0 3. So this is equal to A is equal to 9 plus 12 plus 3, 15 plus 24 here. Okay, now another question. Now this is continue and this is what? Adjoint of A, sorry, determinant of A. Okay, now check the determinant value. 1 into what? 1 into 0 minus or minus 3, 0 A plus 9, minus 2 into what? 0 minus 6, and plus 1 into minus what? Minus 3, minus 3 here, minus 3. So this is what? Minus 3 and this is 18. Now find cofactors. C11, C11, C11 find, C12 find, C13 find the value. Then C21, C22, and this is C33. Okay, so what is cofactor of line 1? What is cofactor? Cofactor means it is the value of subdeterminant after deleting the rows and columns. So C11 is what? C11 is this goes cancel, this is 9. Now what is C12? What is the value of C? Just calculate using the determinant method, and this is C11 and this is what? C12 is equal to 6, C13. C12 is equal to what? C12 is equal to 6. How it is 6? C12 first row second column 3, and this is what? And this is here and this is here. This is 0 and this is 6. Now what is C22? What is the value of C22? Minus 2. C11 equal to what? Minus 3. C11 equal to minus 3. And what is C here? C11 is equal to dash. So calculate, please calculate this. Okay, then what is the, and find the cofactors. Find the cofactors. Find the cofactors. That is, first C11 is what? 9. Second C11 is equal to what? C12 is equal to. Second C12 is equal to 6. C13 equal to minus 1. This is 6 and this is minus 1. Similarly, C21. Find C21. Cofactor. This is matrix C21. Cover this C21. This is 0 minus 6. So minus 6 here. Okay, this is the A portion. So 0 into 3, and this is what? 0 into 1, 0, and this is 2 into 3, 6. So this is equal to what? 0 minus 6, and this is what? C13. C13, this is 3 here. So this goes cancel. 0 minus 3. So this is equal to what? 3. Now C21. What is value of determinant of C21? Second row, third column. Second row, sorry, first column. 2 into 0, 0 plus 2 into 0, 0. What? This is what? This is column 1, row 1, column 3. So 0 plus 9. ये आगर को 9 बसियो. Clear? This is what? Middle da, last da, minus 3, and this is what? Minus 3, and this is 0. And then what? Then C21. C21, that is what? 0 minus or minus 3. This is what? this cancel, no, this is column 1 and what, row 2, column 1 row 2, 2 into 0 0 minus 3 into 3 3. So this is what, 2 into, this is what, 2 into first row second column, 0 plus 3, 0 plus 3. So this is equal to, since it is negative, 2 plus 1 negative, odd, so minus 3. And what is C13 here? C12 is equal to what? C12 is equal to dash. Okay, this is 2 and this is 0 and this is minus 3. So C12, this is equal to 0 plus what? 0 C12. This is 12. C12. This is what? 0 minus 6. Okay. So C21 means what? Second. This is what? I need write neat and cleanly. So this is what? This is 1 1 2 2 0 minus 3 1 3 0. Now what is C21? Column, that is column 2 row 1, 0 into what? This is cover, C21, this is cover, and this is what? 0 plus 9. Now this is what? C13, sorry, C21, 0 minus or plus 3, so minus 3, 0 minus 3, so before minus, so this is plus 3, and this is C22. Similarly, find C22, second row, third column, second row, C22, second row, second column, 0 into 1, 0 minus 2, minus 2. So, and C13, cover this, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. Now C31, cofactor of the elements, third row first column, 6 minus 0. So this is 6. C32, odd means minus. Odd means what? Minus. Put minus. So this is equal to C, and this is C32. 3 minus 1, 2. Minus 2 here, odd number. So this is 3, odd number means what? Minus here. I plus j is odd, then put minus sign before the subdeterminant. Then C33 is equal to this, suppose this 0 minus 2, so minus 3, minus 2. These are the cofactors. Okay. Now find inverse and adjoint. While finding the cofactors, it is very confused. Calculate correctly here. So this is what? C11, this goes cancel, 0 plus 9, and this minus 0 minus 6, 0 minus what? 6, minus 6, and this is odd, so minus of minus plus, and this is what? C13, this minus 3 comma 0, this is minus 3 comma 0. Then C21, this goes cancel, this 0 minus 6. Okay. C what? C21. C21. This is 0 plus 3. Plus 3 and this is what? 2 plus 1 odd, so minus 3. Then C31. Then C31. 6. 3 2 minus sign podivo. 3 minus 1 2. And C33. Adi coverla 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 minus 2. Okay. So adjoint A is equal to what? Adjoint A ये हला रो 1 एटा कॉलम 1 करो, ये हला रो 2 एटा कॉलम 2, रो 3 कॉलम 3 करो हला. तो adjoint A is equal to what? 9 6 minus 3 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 and this is 6 minus 2 minus 2. Now x is equal to adjoint A, x is equal to adjoint A into what? Adjoint x is equal to adjoint A into adjoint A by determinant A into D, right hand side. So x means what? X, y, z, and adjoint A is equal to what? 9 minus 3 6, 9 minus 3 6, 6 minus 2 minus 2 minus 3 minus 3 2, divide by determinant A, that is 18, and D means what? 7 11 1. Multiply this. Okay, multiply this and verify the answer is correct or not. So multiply this is equal to what? This is equal to 9 7 63 minus 33 plus 6 divide, and this is what? 6 into this is 6 into 7 42 minus 22 minus 2, that is minus 21 minus 33, and this is what? Minus 33, and this is plus 2. So overally divide by what? 18. Divide by 18. So this is 36. This is 36. And this is 42 minus 22, that is 20 minus, so this is 18. That is what? 21 plus 33, that is 4, and this is 5 plus 2, that is minus plus 2, that is minus 52. Sorry, minus 52 by 18. So x is equal to what? So x is equal to, this is calculation portion, so do carefully. So x y z is equal to what? 36 by 18. 36 by 18. 36 by 18. Okay, 36 by 18, then 18 by 18, then minus 52 by 18, minus 52 by 18. So 36 by 18 is equal to what? 2 1 4. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, and z is equal to minus 4. Okay, z is equal to minus 4. Sorry, this is what? 2, 1, this is 18, divide by 18, na? So 3, and this is what? 3. So x is equal to 2, y equal to 1, z equal to minus 3 is the answer. So correction here, this is what? C32, C23, C23, column 2, row 3, C23, C23. Zero plus 2, C23 minus 12, and this is C31 here, C23, 23, column 2, row 3, that is minus 3, minus 2, minus 7, and its place is what? Minus, so this is 7, this is 7, 2, 3 is 7, C23, 3 minus 3, 2, and this is 7, and this is 7, and this is what? 9, 3, 6, 9, 6, minus, this is what? This is adjoint, A into D. What is adjoint here? That is, adjoint is 9, and 9, 6 minus 3, 2, 7, 6, minus 2, minus 2. So, 63, 33 plus what? 6. Then 42, then what? 42 minus 22 minus 2. So minus 3 into 7, minus 21, and this is what? This is what? This is 7 minus what? 77. Okay, so 77, and this is 23, 77 plus 21 plus what? 77, 3, 20, that is 77, and this is what? This is 8, and this is 5, and this is what? 2. So this will be changed here. This is 3 into 21 minus what? This, and what is this? This is equal to, calculating this we get, calculating this portion we get here. What is the answer? That is, we get this is equal to minus 21, and this is what? This is the on the right side 7, 1, 1. So this is equal to what? Minus 21 plus 77, 21 plus 77. Okay, so plus 77, because it is plus, because it's not minus here. So the answer is what? Plus here. This is plus 7. So this is equal to plus 7, and this is what? And this is what? Minus 21. This is correct, and this is equal to what? 2 into, and this is what? C32, C31, C32, this is equal to what? C23. Okay, this is equal to, adjoint is equal to, this is column 1, this is column 2, and this is column 3, C minus 2, correct. And this is what? And this is minus 2, Clear? This is minus 2. So this will be what? This will be minus 2. So minus what? Minus 23, and this is equal to minus 23 plus 7 is 52. Sorry, 54. This is 54, and this is what? 54. So 54 is equal to what? X is equal to y equal to 1, z equal to 3. This question is very, very important, and its calculation is a little bit difficult, and you have solve this type of question carefully. Now some homework. This is the homework. Solve by matrix method. This is for 2 variables, and these questions are 3 variables. This is long question. This type of question is what? A long question for common students, or also for science students. This question is long question. Now these are the syllabus of the common students, that is matrices. For the chapter matrix, this is the syllabus of the commerce, and the portion discussed that belongs to what? Common students. Now in the last class we will do what is set and set theory. Thank you. Have a nice day.